What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, a car channel where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the car community on YouTube. I just cover 5 channels, just a discussion channel, guys. That's all it is. If you're very new to the channel, it's your first time clicking on the video, do check out my other videos, get involved. Please do smash that subscribe button and even better the fucking like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. If we could even get like 7 to 8 likes in this video, I'd be delighted. The more likes, guys, the better. I really want to help this channel grow, and I really want to get a project car for you guys, so the more people subscribe, the quicker we are and the higher up we get to getting a project car as well. On today's episode, we're going to be covering Carwow, Goonzsquad, and Amelia Hartford, and a few others as well on top of that. I'm still playing catch up with all my videos also, because, you know, I'm just back posting not even a week yet. And yeah, guys, also, if I'm looking for a co-host for the channel, so I'm looking for somebody to come on a weekend for an hour or two for a podcast, just to chat about what's going on that week in the car community. If you're big into your car channels and know a bit about cars and speak English, hit me up on my Instagram at the end of the video. Let me know that you're interested and we can try it and sort something out. I feel like there is no big, massive, not a lot of people that cover this kind of stuff in a podcasty way on the weekends as well. And also, one last thing before we jump into it, I hope, guys, like my last 2 or 3 videos, I was recording at night. I didn't have my lights on fully. I don't have a ring light, and I apologize if the quality hasn't been that good. I need to get a ring light. I will start turning on my lights when I'm recording on the weekdays at night, because it's dark here. Obviously it's during the day now because it's a Saturday. And also, it's like my setup is obviously my phone is on my stand, and I'm trying to get it in line with the TV. So, you know, I'm just playing a YouTube video in the background, and I'm trying to make sure it lines up right. Excuse if any ads come up, it's just the way it is. You know, I'm just trying to have a new setup. It's all new to me, so I'm still working it out. But hopefully you like that kind of stuff, you know, and it's not too distracting as well. And yeah, let's jump into today's video. I'm fucking around too much talking also. So we're going to jump in straight into Carwow, and a lot of other car channels have released basically the new Porsche Gt4 RS. Absolutely spectacular car. They did a thing on it where kind of like a montage thing, and the spec of it was ridiculous. You can get it in a YSAC package as well. And also, basically what it is it's basically derived the engine off the 933, I think it is. The new one, the track focused one, or the 911.3, I think. But basically, it is the way they shot it, the sound of the engine. It looks awesome. I'm absolutely in fucking love with the car. If I ever got rich, it would be one car I would love to buy. I'm a big GT4 person. So here's a quick clip for you guys from Carwow's coverage of the GT4 RS. And there you have it, guys. Please let me know what you think of the GT4 RS in the comments below. Be good to hear your thoughts and opinions. Do you like the look of it? What you think of the YSAC package? You know, would you buy one? Have you checked out the Carwow video? The only stats I can basically see here is it's 4-litre flat 6 naturally aspirated. Output is nearly 500 horsepower with 331 foot-pounds of torque. It's got the 7-speed dual-clutch PDK, like, you know, most the high-end Porsches have. Rear-wheel drive, 0 to 60, 3.2 seconds with a max speed of 196 miles per hour. Weight is 3,227 pounds, and the base price will be starting off at $141,000, which I believe would be worth every penny, you know, to buy it. Be absolutely well worth it if you had the money, you know. So I just thought it was a really good video by Carwow. Car sounded awesome. I would love to get one if I ever got rich. I really do like them. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think of the GT4 RS. Would you buy one or would you not? In that price range, would you get something else? I think that is a lot of car for the money. You know, it's just ridiculous what kind of a car that is. Next up, guys, is going to be Goonzsquad. So Goonzsquad, as we know, like, you know, do a lot of builds. They have a lot of cars in their possession, and again, guys, I'm playing catch up on all these channels. Some of their latest videos are showing basically that they're going to refresh their builds. They're looking to sell off a lot of their builds that they've already finished or just about to finish. And they've been saying what cars they want to get rid of because obviously they're building their new shop that they're obviously going to be working in and doing stuff inside there. And some of the cars that they've announced that they're selling, I don't think the subscribers want them to sell. So my question to you guys is, what cars do you want to see them sell and what cars do you want to see them keep? For me personally, in my own opinion, I really love the Viper. They need to hold on to that car. The Mustang that they had, they need to hold on to. The Ferrari definitely, and the Huracan. I'm not too sure about the SRT, the Jeep SRT. It's nice, and it's a rocket. The rest of the cars, I'm not too bothered about. I mean, look, they need a refresh. Right now, they're doing builds on trucks, like pickup trucks. And they are doing a Cadillac as well, a CV5, which isn't my cup of tea. So I haven't really been watching them unless they're doing like JDM or supercars or sports cars. I'm really not interested, so I haven't really been watching them. It's just not for me. But let me know what builds you'd like to see them do. You know, they are doing a lot. They did the Tesla as well. I wasn't really into that one either. But yeah, it's cool that they're actually going to refresh it. So hopefully when their new shop is built, they're going to bring bigger and cooler projects. So yeah, I just said I'd bring it to you guys and let me know what you think of them selling their projects in the comments below and which ones you want to see them keep or sell. Next up is going to be Emilia Harford, guys. Emilia Harford, I literally didn't even know she bought it, but she's gone out and bought a Ferrari 458, I think around last month. And she slapped on a new exhaust system. I'm not too sure if it's straight through. I don't think it is. It might be decatted, but it sounds awesome. And she bought this car for 141,000. It had an error coming up about a start failure error, so she got 50,000 off the price. She said she could fix it and then sell it for 190, 200,000 and make profit. But I love the 458s. I really, really do love the 458s. They're a Ferrari that I would love to get if I had the money. They're so sleek looking and they're just there's something about them that I just absolutely love. She is going for a wide body kit on it as well. She's going to be going a Liberty Walk wide body kit, one that she really wants. But yeah, the new exhaust system on it sounds fucking awesome. So here is a quick clip for you guys. There you have it, guys. Let me know what you think of her new exhaust on the 458. Do you think she should have got something else for 140 grand, like a McLaren or something? I'm actually glad she got the 458. I love them. They're such a nice looking car, and that sounds fucking sick. I mean, just the sound off it going through the tunnel was amazing. I really do love what she did with that exhaust system. It does sound a bit F1-ish. And yeah, she's going wide body, so it'd be interesting to see how her wide body turns out compared to Stradman's wide body in his 458. But yeah, she's been killing it and fair juice to her. So really excited to see what she does with the 458. Does she stay red or what colour does she go? But let me know what you think about the exhaust system in the comments below. Are you a big Emilia Harford fan or not? Next up, guys, is going to be Cars with Luke. Cars with Luke basically got a hold of a Maserati MC20 for the last few days, and or he got it for like 2 days something, and it's just the intro clip is fucking unreal. Like it's Cars with Luke. Like the guy is one of the best cinematographers of cars out there, along with Watch This Media and a few others. Just this way he did this is awesome. It's really nice. I don't want to, I know I'm probably going to overlay this because I don't know if I'm going to get copyrighted, so I'm probably just going to overlay the shot, but I highly recommend go and check out the video in the link in the description below. Just the opening clip, it just gives such a cool look to the MC20. It looks like an absolute beast of a supercar, and yeah, just really good editing by Luke as usual, and it was a really good video to watch, so I just said I'd bring it to your attention. Let me know what you think of the Maserati MC20 in the comments below. Is it a car you would buy? Do you think it's going to really do well for Maserati and a selling point? I think it's going to do awesome. A lot of car YouTubers, I think, are going to probably want it when it comes out for their channel. I hope one day we can get big enough to get one of them, but I don't know if that'll happen. But yeah, I just want to hear from you, your guys' thoughts and opinions in the comments below. And last up on the list, but not least, is going to be my friend Anthony from Sports and Touring. His latest video, which just dropped today, it was a premiere. I watched it. It's around 15 minutes long. It's really, really good. Basically, he was at the tunnel, Cataspi, I think it's called, Catsby. I'm terrible at pronouncing fucking names. I know I'm so bad, but it's a kind of like a test tunnel for aerodynamics. You bring in the car, you bring it down through an elevator. It's 2.7 kilometers long, and some of the cars that were there are fucking unreal. I mean, he asked what was your favorite cars there. Now, I would highly suggest go and check out the video. I mean, there's so many good cars. There was a lot of Aston Martins there. There was a Koenigsegg in there, an A12, a Huracan. So yeah, my top three from that video was the Koenigsegg CCX would be first, obviously, because it's such an epic car. The A12 super fast, the V12 straight, naturally aspirated, definitely second for me, and the kind of like baby blue Huracan was my third one. But I really highly recommend go check out Ant's channel with his son Damani. They do some awesome edits on their channel of their videos, and this one is just brilliant the way they edit it, and a lot of information that they give about their day there and what's been going on. So yeah, I link in the description below, guys. Go check out their channel and do give them a subscribe and a big thumbs up as well. So that's it for today, guys. Again, hopefully you liked it. Do please smash that like button. If we can hit 7-8 likes, that would be awesome. And please do subscribe and check out my other videos that come up here at the end. And even better, if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can. If you're interested in coming on as a co-host on the weekends, please let me know and hit me up on there too. So until the next video, guys, until the next episode, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.